Alright, what's going on everyone? So the theme for today's video, I just had them. I have no clue where they went. I gotta find them. Oh no, it's in my pocket. The theme for today's video, you know, AirPods right here, these little things. We got some crazy stuff here to show y'all. Pretty cool stuff that I really want to introduce y'all to, because you know about my last video I did and some Supreme ones. Those ones were pretty cool. So today we got some other ones coming in like Gucci and other unreleased, you get the joke there, unreleased versions of AirPods. And basically I just want to show y'all them, show y'all some of the cases. So I really hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. It's one I wanted to do once I got the opportunity to, and today I have another opportunity. Shout out to Skins, that's who I'm collaborating with. They make AirPod cases, things like that. Custom ones are pretty cool. And now before y'all click off, I just want to show you these because they're pretty cool. This video, I'm not going to keep it too long, so I just hope you guys will enjoy it. If you want more, like, you know, sort of cool, like, HYPEBEAST custom accessory videos like this, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, drop a like, do any of that. It all goes a long way for me, but that's just up to you. But we're gonna slow down on words so you guys can actually understand me, but we're gonna get straight into this one. We actually got some pretty cool stuff in here, so let me show you all this. Now, I know you all may be confused, and I'm too, because I just lost another thing within like 30 seconds, not even 30 seconds. All right, but got the scissors, we're gonna unbox this. And basically, you know, Skins, they make like custom AirPod cases, things like that. I'll link them all down below in the description, by the way, if you want to check them out. They don't just make like skins for like AirPod cases. Struggling to open this. But basically, they sent me some pretty cool stuff. I want to show you all. Maybe they put a note in here for me. We got to see, maybe some stickers, you know, things like that. Yeah, but here we go, look at this. Look at this right here. Got a bunch of stickers from them. Shout out to them. You see all that? You know, that's cool. That's cool. Put some of those on the desk, you know, keep some of those if any of y'all want them. If any of y'all want them, go ahead and hit me up in the comments. I got y'all. We got some stickers right here. It's 6 or 7 of them. And they sent me a lot of cases here. I think this is around 8 AirPod cases, which is insane. And it's crazy. It's like a surprise, but at the same time, it's really like, I got some other crazy stuff in here I want to show you. We're not even done. We got a lot. We got a lot of stuff in here. They sent, oh, they balled out. Look at this. So first up, this one is sick. I'm actually gonna take this one out of the case. I love this one. Right here, we have the AirPods Balenciaga case right here. Y'all see this? For some reason it's not really focusing, but y'all see that the AirPods, and something just fell. All my stuff's falling off my desk and everything's going crazy, but the case here, y'all see this? I won't really show y'all what the case functions for so y'all get it. I get it can be a bit confusing if you don't quite understand what its purpose is. So basically, they also have that little keychain in it. Look at that too. So you can actually attach your stuff. And basically, you know, your normal AirPods case goes in here like that. See that? And this one closes over top of it. So now I got the little case right there. And also, you know, you got thing right here. You can attach it to the back of, but this is not the only one. This one isn't as cool. We got some more ones that are actually pretty cool. So next up, I'm gonna show y'all. Here we go, here we go, here we go. This one's a little funny to me, but we got the Supreme LV AirPod case. Y'all see that? Here you go. I'll bring it up close, but y'all see that? There you go. I don't know why I keep focusing on my face. I'm trying to focus on this, but y'all see that? Supreme LV AirPods case. There you go. That one's sort of cool, you know. Again, comes with another keychain. Got plenty of keychains on these ones. I'm gonna organize this all after the video. It's a mess right now. But then we also have a different colorway to match it, the black one. Y'all can see that. Boom, right there. So we got another LV one right there. You peep what I'm doing. But we're gonna take it out the Balenciaga one actually right now. It's actually pretty cool. Like, look how well it fits on it. Like, it looks pretty. Like, this looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I haven't even pushed it down all the way. Yeah, but I pushed it down all the way. I don't know how easy it's gonna be to get out, but look, like, this looks like it fits pretty nicely. Like, look at that. Pretty well done in my opinion. But we're gonna try and put it in this one. It's gonna be a processor. Maybe this will be easy. I don't know. A little harder to remove it. But yeah, there we go. More AirPod cases, 2 of them. I couldn't manage to get out of the Balenciaga one, but that's okay. We're not even done. We got some more ones that are pretty sick. This one is actually, I think this one, I'll label this one as my personal favorite. I think this one's really cool. I think all of them are actually pretty well done, but this one is actually like, this one stood out to me. This Gucci monogram one right here. Gucci monogram AirPod case, y'all see this? You peep it, basically. The keychain's already on the outside of this, but this one I feel like would look dope as an AirPods case. I mean, I think all of them are pretty well done. My personal favorite is probably this one. I already said that really. They sent a bunch of stuff out. We're not even done. They sent me another one. I wasn't even expecting this one. I didn't even know they were sending me this one, but basically, here we go. Off-white AirPod case, you know, cool little custom right there. Y'all see that? I think this one's pretty cool. You know, I like the design of this one. Again, still my favorite one's this one. Like, I think this one's really nice. I think the Balenciaga one's pretty cool too. Bigger fan of this one though. I'm probably gonna be keeping this one, but these are the ones we received. The 4 AirPods cases. Y'all can see this. Actually, this might be the thumbnail. Hold up. Yeah, this might be the thumbnail. So I'm gonna try and make this like this. But y'all see these? These are pretty cool cases, I think. I'll mess with them. I think they're all pretty nice. Again, I'm just trying to shoot the thumbnail right now, my bad. But yeah, that's probably gonna be it. But my favorite ones, again, I'm gonna try and use actually this one. I like these ones. I mean, they're good. I like them. I think they're well done. And I wasn't expecting even to get 4 of them, so this is also cool. But yeah, I remember talking with them. They're like, yeah, we're gonna send some stuff out. So shout out to Skins, you know, putting it on the sticker, putting it right there. I got 7 of those stickers too, so I mean, if anybody feels. Oh, and they also sent me this one too. I completely forgot to even mention this one. There's a whole nother one. So we got 5 AirPod cases. Maybe I'll be down to give one of these away if y'all want to look at that right now. But I also have another giveaway going on in the description. If you want to go check that out, again, just go to Early Premium's post. I'm going to link his, and I'm also going to link my recent photo if y'all want to go like that. That's a lot that I just said right there, but hopefully y'all get what I'm saying. Hopefully you understand it. But we got all these cases right here. Again, I think they're pretty nice. I think, again, I sort of like, this one's sort of like stuck. I'll be able to get it out. I'll tell y'all how I do it. I mean, it won't be probably hard. I think you just like can separate it, but yeah, basically, you know, different AirPod cases, giveaway going on in the description, new post in the description, go like it please. And yeah, you know, comment below what you think. If you're gonna cop any of these cases, which one's your favorite though? If you do have like an opinion, which one's your favorite, or what do you think about them, if they're well done, all that. I'd love to hear it personally, so you know, I'd see if I'm doing business with them in the future, if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna close out here. I'm just gonna say thank you all for watching. It goes a long way. I appreciate the constant support. Drop a like too if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more content like this. I keep stuttering and you know, messing up. You see there's a lot of errors in this video. I have a lot of editing to do for sure. But yeah, that's really it. So I'm just gonna say thank you all for watching this video. And, yeah, I'll let you know how all this goes. So thanks for watching, guys. See you all in the next one. I'm Tristan, and peace out.